You got. There's another box that has arrived. So, by the way, if you're wondering where I get these from, I'll leave a link in the description, maybe, if I know how to do it. www.geekbox.co. Wait, what is it, Mom?
Geek Gearbox.
Yeah, that. And then, yeah, you subscribe, and then they'll send you them monthly in it. So let's get into it. Do it like I do. So first of all, we open the box, and there's a nice blue wrapping. We have a t-shirt. Wait, please tell me this is what I think it is. So I'll look at this after. But this says Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry. A magical adventure awaits you at, and then
It's a bit high.
so yeah, that's the first thing. Second thing is Weasley's Weasels. I first thought it was Bertie Bott's with beans, but okay. Nice. I've got a pair of socks. Ravenclaw socks. Now. Oh, I've got myself. It's already open, so I'll just open this one now. The rest are open. Maybe I can't. But this is a Gringotts Vault key. Gringotts Vault key. So I've got a galleon. Now I've got a key. So this one, put the old Ravenclaw sticker. By the way, guys, as I said before, I have no idea what's in these. Nor does my mum. Nor does anyone watching. Or anyone in my family. So this one is a nicely decorated pillowcase, it seems to be. Yeah, pillowcase. That can go with my other Harry Potter one that says, on a scale of 1 to 10, my obsession with Harry Potter is 9 over 3 If you haven't watched Harry Potter or don't know what it is, then you won't understand it. But if you start watching it, then you understand. This, I'll start doing the unwrapping boxing thingamajigs now. Okay. This, Harry Potter and the spells that you ought to know. Okay, so it's got all the spells which I need. I'll put this up on my setups. So, pretty good. By the way, guys, when my big boy room is finished, I will do a setup tour. Oh, sick! Sorry, guys, but this says Daily Prophet, Albus Dumbledore, 10 years to the day. So, awesome graphics. I like that. Those two will be going up on my wall. This picture is absolutely amazing. Got Harry and his Expecto Patronum curse thing, which is a stag. I got it right. So, yeah. Let's unbox these bad boys. This one. Oh, you always interrupt my videos. This is a key. I just said that, but that's my key. Very. Is that the things that I do get in these, like my wand and this? They aren't actually just like the fake plastic, not the fake plasticky things. This is actually metal. got the front treatment. This is actually metal. The wand was actually hard material. It wasn't like fake stuff here. These are socks. Can't get much from socks really. And this, I'll do some magic again. Mum, you know the gist.
Can't do that on here.
Yeah? You can pause it on here. 3, 2, 1. Ooh la la. So, yeah, this is what it looks like on a human species. Now, I've just realised this, yeah. This, could you zoom in? We can actually zoom in on the screen. This bit here, that's Harry on his broomstick catching the golden snitch. So, yeah, check it out. And it's got all nice literature, not literature, illustrations, Quidditch rings with 2 people playing Quidditch. Man like this. So, yeah. And again, we've got Bertie Bott's favourite beans, no, Weasels, and peace.